Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 9th February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction lunchtime prediction first number 5, number 13, number 28, number 39, number 46, booster number 25, 8 March 2025, UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction boom. Join YouTube channel membership, 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number, 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number 9, number 14, number 23, number 31, number 48, booster number 10. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.